Amici miei, buongiorno. Today is our last day. We're gonna go and catch the flight, which is at 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm getting ready, excuse the mess. We're gonna go first to grab some börek, some chai. We're gonna have a little Turkish breakfast here in Istanbul, Turkey or Turkiye. So yeah, join me on this adventure because I do not know how to get to the airport with the public transportation. Oh, by the way, we need to find some other souvenirs. That's why we're gonna go uphill there. You see, we're gonna go uphill there. And then we're gonna try to find a shop for souvenirs. I am so proud of this tea, guys, that I found yesterday, and later I discovered that Altin Bash, this word means golden head or something, because they are the freshest leaves of the tea. These leaves, you see, like the younger ones, and this one should be really, really good. I look forward to try it. Ciao. Hey, good morning. How are you? Bye bye. You too. Bye bye. Alright, guys, off we go. Oh, alright, a bit windy already. I think the souvenir shops are close to the university. So yeah, let's go that side. It's uphill. Anyway, I think from there we need to take the tram to go. I think also we have to take the ferry today, guys, to go on the Asian side. We'll see. If we can take the ferry, we'll take the ferry instead of the bus or something, because it's always nicer. I was wondering if they have the tea, guys. The Rize tea? Rize Chayı, no? Thank you, brother. Nothing, guys, he didn't have it. I would love to find the same actually, or another brand, but yeah, I think that one we took is a really good high quality. Oh man, one of the things I will remember about Istanbul, guys, are the uphills, how steep the roads are, some roads. Morning. Rize Çayı? Altin Bash, you have?
Oh, this is
Altin Bash, yeah. Bravo, but the bags.
small.
People eating some traditional simit and chai to a breakfast there. So guys, we're gonna do the same in a bit as soon as we arrive. Universidad? Sorry, Universidad? Universidad. Universidad. There? Thank you. Guys, there. I usually remember to see the tower. I don't know what happened now, because there is a tower close to that university, so yeah. Nice music in the morning. Fantastic. Alright, let's see if now for the souvenir shop, some chai too. The gentleman had the Altin Bash, but was very, very big. The bag, you know, didn't have the tea bags. I'm sure though, the prices here might, not sure actually, might be a bit on the pricey side. A bit more expensive because, as you see, we are close to the university there. I think we can find the chai here. I'm curious now. Buon appetito. Hello.
Hello.
You work here?
Yes, welcome.
Good. Al Bash, dai chai kur, Rezi chai, tea bags. Yes. How much? You have smaller?
This is small one.
You don't have smaller, no?
No.
Because I don't have space, brother. Alright, guys, let's go and look somewhere else. How about this one? Let's see if he has it. Merhaba. No, guys, they don't have it. We might as well go back in the market here because it's closed. Altin Bash chai, you have? You have smaller? Alright. I'm sure we will find it, guys. Okay, they have a lot of food here. Avla, baklava, some marmalade and tahini. I think they don't have that brand we're looking for, guys. This is another one. Same this one? Let's see. Lot of the lights, as you can see. Oh man, I don't see. Chai kur? Chai? No, thank you. Look at the baklava. Wow. Might as well go there in the zone that I told you where we fixed our luggage, guys. Because there for sure we'll find something, I guess. I'm not sure to be honest, but we will find something. Definitely something to drink and eat, so that's a good start, I guess. I noticed that it's full of Spanish people here, guys. I told you, Spanish people love this city. I feel like I'm surrounded, you know, by them. Oh boy. Will it stop there? Yeah, let's go, I guess we can go. Merhaba. Altimbaş, you have? Çay, Altimbaş.
Altınbaş.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, the small, like...
Altınbaş half kilo.
No, I don't know, I don't have space. Really?
Small no.
Don't have space.
Aynı
No,
Turkish çay. Çaykur, Altınbaş
I have
half
already.
kilo.
No, I don't have space. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's see in this place. Wow, it's huge. Hello. Altimbaş, you have? Chai. A souvenir shop. Well,
Inside the Grand Bazaar, you can
I
find
go right here?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright guys, let's go to the Grand Bazaar and probably we can find something. I told you, you can find everything in this Grand Bazaar, so might as well go direct there, guys. Lively already. It's a Saturday morning, by the way. Bazaar comes from the Turkish word Sunday, because usually you go to the market on a Sunday, right? So yeah, here we are. Okay, now let's see if we can find something here, like that one but small.
We don't have small. Only this one.
Thank you, brother. I don't have space. Souvenir, magnets, where? Here? Yeah. Hello. Thank you, thank you. Alright guys, what should we take? We take this one? I like this one actually. Actually, probably this one we take. This one too. Who are these?
Derviş, Mevlana.
You have keychains. Guys, I think it's enough. What do you think? I don't know. Let's see inside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take one bonus for you, okay?
Thank you,
6,
sir.
4, 5.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my friends.
To eat some börek and chai, good dear. Well,
Package or
börek, chai.
outside you can find chai. This package you can find here. Here's spice shop, spice.
No, to eat now, börek. To eat.
Outside you can find.
Outside, okay. Guys, we took a lot of things. I'm happy about it. Yeah, I forgot here. Wait,
We
thank
can
you.
help you, thank
Thank you. Alright guys, let's see if we can get a deal now. This is the tea Altimbaş. How much is the Altimbaş?
Which one? The tea bag? 180.
Brother, I don't have cash, 180. You can do 150 or not? One, because I have three. I need one. I don't have space.
Turn left. You
Thank
see
you.
on the right side.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye. How much are the teas?
Which one, abi?
This one. You have other outside or?
How many pieces?
Overwhelmed, guys. I don't know where to put the things. We took a bracelet. So yeah. Okay, here he said. So the gentleman told us to go here, then in the center, and to look for börek. What do you think about that?
Aquí probar.
Parla italiano, amico mio.
Ah, italiano.
Sì.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Aquí.
Guys, what should we take? You have only this, or you have other? Where I can eat some börek? Thank you.
Borek right side.
Traditional, huh?
Right side, yes.
Right side. Guys, they gave us some tea. They gave us some tea, the gentlemen, guys. Very, very good. I don't know what they put inside. Some flowers, I think. Sweet. We're gonna go to eat some börek now. Amici miei, I think the place is this one that the gentleman told us, but I don't think it's super traditional, so I think I will go there on that one, on that road, because I remember yesterday when we came to fix the luggage, there was that place, so I think we will go there now. I think we found it, guys. Look at this, mamma mia. Günaydın. Here we are. Günaydın. I'm gonna sit here now. Super hot. I'm gonna show you a bit the börek, guys. It's really, really nice here. Super hot, but really nice. Look at this börek, guys. Look how nice it looks. Freshly made. I will take that one with meat, and I will take some ayran. Small place, very traditional. Börek?
Borek, cheese, spinach,
No, no. With meat.
meat. One portion?
One portion. Give me the good one, brother. Okay? And ayran. Ayran.
Ayran. Bir porsiyon kıyma olur, yanında bir de ayran.
Yes. Thank you.
Good.
Good. Thank you. This is a different brand, guys. I hope it's good. Doesn't have so much salt. No, it should be good. Toots, I think is salt, 0.6. Mamma mia, so hot inside here because they cook in the börek. So yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Mamma mia, smells amazing. Alright, guys, first thing first, we need to shake well that one, and then we can open it. Oh boy. Let's see how it is, if it's the same like the other one or not. Tastes the same actually, not bad. They don't make it very salty, yeah? So I like it. When I tried abroad, it was super salty and I really disliked it, to be honest. I'm not a big fan of salt, so yeah. Really good brand, this one, so shoot us. Alright, amici miei, time to try this börek now. I hope you can hear me. Very loud here. Buon appetito. Whoa, very salty. Very okay. Reminds me of Albania, guys, of my childhood, because when I used to go in Albania, of course I used to eat börek with meat like this one. Amazing. But I told you, in Albania I think they make it less dry. Here they put less oil. In Albania the difference, the taste is very similar, but they put more oil I think in Albania. They are both nice, both good. And this one of course is traditional, you see around me there are only locals. So yeah, it's amazing. Finished, guy, very very good. Now we're gonna go and grab some chai. I'm gonna finish the Ayran now. I'm gonna go and grab some chai. And then we need to take the public transportation to the airport. I don't know, I think we'll take like 2 hours, so better earlier than later. I think, guys, these are the prices per kilo. Every börek with potato, with spinach, with meat, 600 Turkish lira per kilo, that's roughly 12-13 euros. It's a good price, I think. And the portion is 150 Turkish lira, and a small portion, I think, Yarim is small, 75. That's roughly 3 euros for the normal portion. Pretty good. Sir, let me ask for the bill. Sir, bill. 180 Turkish lira, that's roughly 4 euros, I think, 4 USD. So very good. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go now, guys. Alright, amici miei, vamos now where we can grab some chai. I think here, no? Somewhere here we can grab some chai. Actually, probably this place. What do you think, guys? We sit in this place somewhere, or that one? What is that one? Pasta Nesi. That's a pasticceria, guys, like a bakery, I think. I'm looking for some simit. I don't know if we can find it here. Look at this, guys, mesmerizing. Very, very nice. Look at this. Told you I would love my house to have all these lights. Really nice.
How can we help you?
I'm looking. How much are these?
Which one?
I don't know, a small one like this. But I don't have space, brother. Look, no space.
No, okay.
Brother, simit? Where I can eat simit? What? Simit and chai. Is that left hand? Outside? Yes. Thank you. There are a million places, but to find the right one is very hard, I think. Guys, I think we are on the same road now. I took the luggage on my hand so you don't hear it. Guys, much better, no? Here we have been.
Hello, can I help you?
I'm good, brother, thank you. How about that place? You see that place, guys? You think we can go there? Well, it's more of a restaurant. I don't know if they have simit, to be honest. They don't offer seating, guys. It's upstairs, but I don't want to go. Let's now see if the ladies there in that shop, they have the simit. This lady has simit, I think, yes. But where can we get in here? What?
No.
Simit. No? Where? Where? Simit where? Where? There? Simit. There? No, there no. There? Thank you. Simit.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Nasıl?
Simit. There? Simit.
Simit o tarafta.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. The lady there remembered me and she said chai because yesterday I took the chai. I said no, simit. Simit I want. Oh, I see someone here. Okay, these people are eating there. They have simit here again. Simit. Ah, there? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, he told me to go here. Ah, it's here probably. But this is the... Okay, but this guy, does it have chai? So what do you think if we take the simit and we sit somewhere? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Guys, I can't find simit. This was, I told you, a bakery, like, but for sweets. Oh, where I can take simit here? Simit here, probably? What is the kitchen? Guys, I can't find a simit. Okay. Where do these people eat? I don't understand. Where do they take the chai and simit? I see a place there. Some gentlemen sat there. What is this? I'm sure we will find something. I don't know, guys. We are in a road that we have never been actually. Probably they have also simit here.
Hello.
I see only locals here, so it's good that they have simit, guys. It's this one, the simit. Look, they have a lot of things. They have the tradition to bake here. And I don't know if you knew, but the croissant was born in Austria by Turkish people. That's who invented the croissant, the Turkish people in Austria. I see they also make chai here. Might take 1 year or on the other place, I don't know, guys. I'm not sure if we should stay inside, guys, or outside, because it's super, super hot inside here. I'm already sweating, like everyone actually. We're all sweating here. Look how good these things look, guys. Wow. Amazing. Love it. We don't have cash, only card. But let's go. Thank you. Bye. Let's go. The guy translated us. Guys, I'm thinking to go there and grab the chai in that place we went, and then we can grab a simit somewhere else. Standing. What do you think about it? Anyway, we need to sit a bit because I need to charge the camera battery. Chai. Card? Card? Chai, can? But card, no cash. Is good? Ah, can I pay with card? Thank you. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's sit here because it's full. We can sit here. Thank you. It's like 10:30 a.m. guys. In the morning is Saturday, and this place, of course, is full. It's normal. So yeah, yesterday was empty. It was only me and a few people, but now, of course, it's normal that it's full. I told you, it can get more traditional than this, guys. Look, the ladies on my back are cooking. Reminds me of my mother and my auntie. So yeah, amazing. Look, amici miei, here they put the normal sugar without paper, traditional way. Love it. Look at the gentlemen, they're cleaning that like trolley where they put the simit, usually there inside. Really nice to see this scene, you know, of daily life here in Istanbul. In the meantime, let's enjoy the chai. I guess they are still cooking on my back, right? They are still preparing the ingredients, I guess. Amici miei, done. Now it's time to catch the tram to go to the airport. Let's go. Thank you. Bye. All right, let's go this way. We are very close to the tram. Boy, should have stayed more in Istanbul actually to enjoy the weekend, guys. But I think these 2 days, full 2 days, were enough to get a taste of Istanbul actually, here in Turkey, in Turkey. Amici miei, I just realized that we need to take this one on the other side. But I'm not sure where we can top up actually. I think the machines are there. So let's go there and top it up. As simple as putting your card here. Main menu, I guess.
İşleminiz yapılıyor.
This one. Okay, guys. Hoppa. Start from the beginning. English.
Please wait. Your
That's it. Please wait. Is topping up the card.
graded successfully loaded.
Fantastic. Ciao. As easy as that, guys. Very intuitive. Kabatash. Here we are. So we're gonna take the tram here. Thank you. I think it's 45 dirham, by the way. The public transportation usually is like this. And then after this tram, we're gonna take the Marmarash, I think it's called, like the train, to go on the Asian side. And from the Asian side, we're gonna take all the way the tram from the end, sorry, from the beginning to the end, so to the airport. Kabatash. I don't remember which one is the station actually, but we will check. Anyway, I think it's not super close, so we have time to check. Okay, full. Let's hope to have some space somehow. Okay, good.